Hello everyone, good morning students. Dear friends, in previous class we take and discuss a very important chapter of your syllabus, which is surface area and volumes. Now in today's class we take and start a very important chapter of your syllabus, which is surface area and volumes, which is one of the most important chapter of your syllabus. Okay, and now in that chapter, dear friends, we discuss about the question based on cuboid. We discuss about the chapter based on cube. We discuss about the questions based on right circular cylinder, right circular cylinder. We discuss about the questions based on hollow cylinder, based on hollow. We discuss about the questions based on right circular cone, right circular cone. We discuss about the problems based on sphere, and we also discuss about the questions problem based on spherical shell, spherical shell. Okay, so we discuss all these topics in that chapter, which are very important topic. You already discuss learn in previous class. You already learned about all these shapes of solids like cuboid, tube, right circular cone, right circular cylinder, right circular cone, a sphere, and spherical shell. Okay. Now, first of all, we discuss the formula of each and every solids. After that, we take and solve some important questions based on all these topics. Okay, now look. So first of all, we discuss about the formula of cuboid and cube. Look. So first of all, we discuss about the formula for cuboid and cube. Cuboid is what? A rectangular shape having length, breadth and side. Rectangular shaped figure having length, breadth and side. Length, breadth and height is known as cuboid. This is the shape of the cuboid. Let us say in a cuboid, length be L, breadth be B, and let us take height be H. Or let us consider in a cuboid, its length be L, breadth be B, and height be H. Then we discuss the first formula for cuboid, which is what? Total surface area of the cuboid. Total surface area of first formula for cuboid is total surface area of cuboid is what? 2 into length into breadth plus breadth into H plus H into L. Okay, this is the formula for total surface area of cuboid. Second one is what? Volume of cuboid. Next one, the formula for volume of cuboid is what? Length into breadth into height. Okay, this is the formula for volume of cuboid. Volume of cuboid. Okay, dear friends. Now, third one, dear friends, diagonal of cuboid. Diagonal of cuboid. Dear friends, the formula for diagonal of cuboid is what? In square root L square plus breadth square plus H square. Okay, the sum of the square of in a square root, the sum of the square of its length, breadth and height respectively. Okay, and last one is what? 4. 4 is what? Area of 4 walls. Area of 4 walls, or simply we can say that lateral surface area. Lateral surface area of cuboid is what? 2 into length plus breadth into height. 2 into length plus breadth into height. So these are the very important formula related to cuboid. So please dear students, first of all you learn each and every formula based of cuboid. After that you can solve each and every questions of your NCERT exercise based on these topics. Now similarly we are going to take and discuss the formula for cube. Up now look for cube. Dear friends, cube is also the special types of cuboid in which its length, breadth and height all are equal to each other. So it means that let us consider let the length and breadth and height is equal to A. Say this is says that, okay? Say A. Then we put L as B, L as A, B as A, H and H as A. Means in cube all of its length, breadth and sides are equal to each other. So according to this, total surface area of cube is what? Total surface area of cube is what? 2 into A square, A square, A square. 3 to the 6 into A square means 6 into side square. 6 into side square. This is the formula for total surface area of cube. Similarly, volume of cube is what? Volume of cube is length into breadth into height. So means length is A into A into A, that is A cube. A cube is the formula for cube. Volume of cube means all side cube. This is what? Side cube. Okay. Now second, next one, diagonal of cube. Diagonal of cube is in square root L square plus B square plus H square. So that is A square plus A square plus A square means under root 3A square means 3 under 3 into A means under root 3 into side. Under root 3 into side is a formula for diagonal of cube. And last one is what? Lateral surface area of cube. Lateral surface area of cube means 2 into L, A plus A, 2A, 2 2 is 4A into A and 4 into A square, that is 4 into side square. 4 into side square. So these are the very important formulas of cuboid and cube. So before solving the NCERT exercise, first of all, dear friend, you learn each and every formulas which we discuss in that class. Okay. Now, dear friend, we are going to discuss about all the important formula. This is the first class of surface area and volume. So first of all, we discuss all the important formulas and topics, means shapes of solids, which are involved in that chapter. After that, we discussing the questions, some important questions based on these topics. Okay. So now we are going to take and define, explain and write all the formulas of right circular cylinder and right circular hollow cylinder. Let's see, dear students. Look, now we are going to take the formula for right circular cylinder and right circular hollow cylinder. Look, now we will discuss about the formula for right circular cylinder and right circular hollow cylinder. Okay. Right circular hollow cylinder. Okay. So this is the very important topic. Okay. Now look, the shape of the right circular cylinder is what? Look, this is the shape of the right circular cylinder. Okay, and here both the bases, both end of the right circular cylinder in circular in form, and here let us take A, B, C, D is a right circular cylinder, and the center of its base and top B, O and O dash respectively, and this is the perpendicular height of the cylinder, and this is the radius of base, which are equal to each other. Okay, this is the shape of the cylinder. Okay, now dear student, first of all we discuss about the area of each end of the cylinder. So just I discuss about that कि each end of the cylinder is circular in form. So first formula is what? Area of each end of the cylinder. Area of each end of the cylinder, which is what? Each end of the cylinder, area of each end of the cylinder, which is pi r square. Pi r square. Okay. Area of each end of the cylinder, that is pi r square. Here pi is the value of pi. You know that each end of the cylinder is circular in form, and you know that the area of circle is pi r square. Here you take the value of pi as 22/7. Okay. Now second one. Second formula is what? Curved surface area of cylinder. The concept of curved surface area of cylinder is what? It's area perimeter of the base and into height. Curved surface area of cylinder, perimeter of base into height. So perimeter and the base of the cylinder is what? Circular in shape. So perimeter of circle is what? You know that 2 pi r. So 2 pi r into L, that is 2 pi r into L. This is the formula for curved surface area of cylinder. Okay. Now, what is the concept of total surface area of the cylinder? Dear students, in total surface area, we adding area of both the ends into its curved surface area. Means, look, third one is what? Total surface area of cylinder is what? Curved surface area. Its curved surface area plus area of each end. Area of each end. This is the concept of total surface area. So curved surface area of cylinder, you know that 2 pi r into h. This is the 2 pi r h plus area of each end. You know that each end of the right circular cylinder is what? R. When circular in region and area of circle is 2 pi r. So 2 pi r square. So 2 ends. So 2 pi r square. We take 2 pi r as common. So we have h plus r. This is the concept of total surface area of the cylinder. Okay, this is the concept of total surface area of the cylinder. Now clear everyone? So this is the very important concept of this question. Okay. Now next question is what? Volume. Fourth formula is what? Volume of cylinder. The concept of volume of cylinder is what? Area of base into height. Area into height. Okay. Means area of base is what? Pi r square into h. So pi r square h. So this is all the formulas, all the important formulas of right circular cylinder. This is one of the most important concept of this one. Okay. Now we are going to discuss about the questions, the formula of right circular hollow cylinder. In right circular hollow cylinder, there are two radius, one external and other internal, and height of each internal and external cylinder remains same. Okay, now look. So this is very important. So please learn all the formulas. Okay. Now look. Now dear friends, we take and discuss the formula for hollow cylinder. Hollow cylinder. Okay. Now look, the shape of the hollow cylinder we write in this way. Look, this is a cylinder with a radius r. Okay, and this is the height. This is the height. Okay, and in the concept of hollow cylinder, we draw another external. Okay, in this way, and the radius of the external radius we capital R, and okay, this is one is what? Capital R, and height we constant h. This is the concept of hollow cylinder. Okay, now dear friends, area of each end of the hollow cylinder is what? Look, first formula is area of each end of each end. Area of each end of hollow cylinder. Look, area each end is circular in region in shape. So external area minus internal area we do that. यानी कि pi r square minus pi small r square. So we take pi as common. So in bracket capital R minus small r square. Okay. So this is the formula for area of each end of the hollow cylinder. Okay. Now we discuss about the total curved surface area of cylinder. Curved surface area of hollow cylinder. Just I discuss about that. What is the concept of curved surface area of cylinder? We discuss about for finding the curved surface area of base into height. Area of base into No, curved surface area of cylinder. Dear student, the concept of curved surface area of cylinder is what? External surface area plus internal surface area. Okay. So internal surface area is what? External surface area is what? 2 pi RH. 2 pi RH. Okay. Yes. 2 pi internal surface area is 2 pi small RH. So we take 2 pi H is common in bracket R plus small r. This is the formula for curved surface area of hollow cylinder. Of what? Hollow cylinder. Hollow cylinder. Now third one. Total surface area of hollow cylinder. Dear student, the concept of total surface area of hollow cylinder is what? Look, its curved surface area means total for to the finding the total surface area of the cylinder. This is its curved surface area means 2 pi h in bracket r plus r plus area of each end. Area of each end means 2 into pi capital R square minus small r square. This is the concept of total surface area of hollow cylinder. Means in curved surface area plus area of both the ends. So look, so here from there we take which is common. Something is common now. So we take one more time, one step more. We write in this way also. Plus 2 pi we can write r plus smaller plus r minus smaller. Okay. Now we take what is common. We take r plus r2 pi capital R plus R is common, so we get H plus this is what? R minus R. So this is the formula for 2 pi capital R plus small r in bracket H plus R minus R. This is the formula for the total surface area, and this is the formula for its curved surface area. So please dear students, first of all learn the formula very carefully. Okay, now third one is what? Fourth one is what? Is volume. Volume of pi r square. So pi capital R small r into h. This is the formula for volume of the hollow cylinder. So these are the concepts and all the formulas, all the important formulas related to cylinder as well as hollow cylinder. So please dear friends, first of all learn each and every formulas. After that you can solve each and every questions of your NCERT exercise based on cylinder and hollow cylinder. Now we are going to take and discuss all the important formula of right circular cone. Look, now we are going to discuss about the other formula of right formula for right circular cone. Formula for right circular cone. Okay dear students, now look, what is the process, what is the concept to find the formula for cone? Now look, you know that the shape of the cone is what? in this way. This is the shape of the cone. A, B, C. This is the center O, and in this way. This is the slant height of the cone. This is the perpendicular height of the cone. Okay. Now, and this is the radius of the base of the cone, and this is the 90 degree. Here from figure, angle AOC is what? 90 degree. Angle AOC is what? 90. The first formula for cone is what? First formula is what? First of all, so in this way, AOC is a right angle triangle. So in any right angle triangle is what form formula is L square is equal to H square plus R square. This is the relationship between height, slant height, and the radius of the cone. Second important formula of cone is what? Is curved surface area. Curved surface area of cone is what? Pi RL. Third one is what? Total surface area. Total surface area of cone, its curved surface area plus area of base means pi R square. Because of the base of the cone is circular in region, so we take pi R as common, so we get L plus R. This is the formula for total surface area of cone. Last one is what? Volume of cone. Volume of cone. Volume of cone is what? 1/3 pi R square. This is all the important formulas related to cone. Okay, right circular cone. So please, first of all, you learn each and every formula which we discuss in that class. After that, you can solve all the questions. Now, we discuss about the formula for sphere. In a sphere, there are some important in a sphere. Suppose that this is a sphere and the radius of the sphere we are. Suppose that. Okay, radius of the sphere we are. So there are two important formula related to that. First is what? Surface area. Surface area of sphere is 4 pi R square. Second one, volume of sphere. Volume of sphere is what? 4/3 pi R cube. 4/3 pi R cube. This is the concept of sphere. Now, in hemisphere, first formula surface area of hemisphere. Surface area of hemisphere divided by 2, so 2 pi R square plus pi R square. Surface area. Okay. If we discuss about the total surface area of hemisphere. So we get what? 2 pi R square plus pi R square. Because of, if we cut that side, so this portion is also included. This is also circular in region. So we get what? 3 pi R. This is the total surface area of hemisphere. And volume of hemisphere, third one. Volume of, we divided by 2, so we get 2 by 3 pi R square, R cube. So this is the concept of hemisphere. And last one is what? Spherical shell. So you know that spherical shell is very important. So just in spherical shell we have two radius, external and internal. So here volume of a spherical shell. So volume is what? 4/3 pi R cube minus small r cube. Okay, and outer surface area, inner surface area same as 4 pi R square. Okay, so dear students, so in this way, in today's class of this chapter, this is the first class of the chapter surface area and volumes. We discuss all the important solid shape of solid which is involved in your chapter, and we discuss all the important formula related to that topic. Now, dear students, first of all, you learn each and every formula which we discuss in that class. After that, you can solve each and every question based on each topics. Okay, dear students. Thus, dear students, in next class we take and solve some important questions based on each and every shapes of solids. Okay, dear students. Now, thanks to all.